Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto kawuono yawo ayanga osiptal mar AAR manitie Kiambu. Osiptalno oket e rang'iny mar level 5 kendo onyalo ting'o jotuo manyalo romo 140 e wards mage. En osiptal mani kod gige thieth matiyo kod lony manyasani kama oting'o wards mag joma ngimagi nitie kamarach mong'ere kaka ICU e kind mamoko. Bende osiptalno mar AAR ma Kiambu omuonyo omenda manyalo romo bilion 3.5 ka osire kod riwruoge mopogore opogore maneno ni ochop rang'iny mar gedo mare.
We assure you and your government of our firm commitment to the health and well-being of our communities, and we hope to play an increasingly significant role in the expansion and access to quality and affordable healthcare in our country. In fact, we are committed to putting up additional modern hospitals and clinics in various parts of the country and throughout Eastern Africa in the coming years.
The most efficient way of delivering on our health objective is to create a seamless partnership between the private sector and the public sector and be able to dissect what best can be done by the private and what best can be done by the public sector and everything in between.